We are in here. I don't know what this is right here. This is around Christmas. No, this is the first of the year. It got screwy. Look at this little piece right here on the 25th. That stuff scares the hell out of me, man. It's so weird. Get the hell out during those times. Okay, anyways, Euro CHF. For some reason, I thought this was going to go up the other day, and I was wildly mistaken. So I need to figure out why I thought this was about to turn around, especially with this crazy ass rejection bar on a weekly. Maybe I didn't look at it. Yeah, it sure did fall down, didn't it? And MACD told us the story too. So I guess I was just tripping. This is I probably wrote this in here just to show the discrepancy whenever you want it to be bullish, but this MACD just didn't agree. It's probably not a good idea to trade that, I'd have to go back and see, but guys, regardless, this comes first, MACD comes first, and then, your price action and all that good stuff, and things need to line up. But I messed that one up, it looks like. Okay, let's see what CAD looks like. Looks like I want it to go down. 1 hour, what does a 4 hour look like? 4 hour looks like we broke above the levels. Okay, so what I would do on this specific trade, because we're early, we're on the other side of a little mini pyramid, I would have a stop right in here. I would have an alert, I'm sorry. So I'd go over here and push plus right here. Right now I have another alert. This is why you need to get pro charts instead of free charts. When you have free charts, you push plus, and it works. Because I didn't have an alert. I thought I had an alert there. But I can only have one alert is the point I'm trying to make. So if I try to do one right here, it's going to say no. Okay? Server side alerts. So this is pretty solid right here. So it's going to be something like that. Okay? All right, cool. So yeah, CHF. This is early. We're risking 1% to see if the momentum goes down, and if it does, then we've got a pretty long runway to the first price profit target. Maybe we have a combo trade situation come in here, and we can take this down a couple times, and it'll be a lot different. So it's the same as the previous in the opposite direction, obviously. So just want to make sure I give some clarity. I'm not assuming that people don't understand. Not at all. I know you guys are smart if you are digging into this content. AUD NZD. Check this out. This is beautiful. Wow. That could have been something. Let me see here. Short right here. Yeah. So you would have bled, but man, that is a wow. And so the difficulty of this move is seeing. So you would have been basically you would have been needing to pay attention right around here. This is right when the day ended. So around 3 o'clock to 4 or 5 o'clock, you need to be waiting for this the next day's bars to or I'm sorry, pivot points to print. That's exactly what that would require for you to win there, you know, and that can be pretty interesting. So yeah, but there's a play there, man, and maybe we're taking down, maybe we're going down to this key level. MACD is supporting it. 4 hour, not so much. Maybe the daily. It's super interesting, man. You take that thing right down to that key level. I don't even know on this one. I don't know if this is, yeah, there's not. This is the first real entry, man. And you would have had to kind of catch it right at the right time to get in, or else you're too late because this is a quick move between here and there. So you've got like a 3 or 4 hour window that you'd have to be paying attention in. Let me get in that and write it down. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, that's AUD and ZD, AUD CHF. One of those crosses that I don't really play too much with. It looks like it's going down too. I don't want to call that an entry, but if it was an entry, you're out. You're stopped out twice. This is why CHF is so weird for me personally, because I'll have entries like this one, but you ended up getting stopped out. The reason I know you're stopped out is because it's going past the green. It went past the green on this one too. So if I just draw those both in, it's kind of one of those things, man. You'll get stopped out on both of them, and that's it, man. That's the last of them. Anyways, yeah, you guys hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. AUDCHF, good for a 2% loss today, or not today, but yesterday and the day before. So that's kind of rough. And this is exactly the reason why I tend to stay away from CHF pairs, because they kind of move a certain way that I don't, my strategy doesn't jive with just yet. So that's what you want to pay attention to. Anyways, guys, hit me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the music, you don't like the music, if it's distracting, whatever. Hit me up. Let me know. All right, peace.